In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add your business address to a GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you are signed in, open your website dashboard so you can access your site settings and editing tools. Next, go to Websites plus Marketing. From there, select the website you want to update. This will take you to the management area for that specific site. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder, where you can make changes to the content and layout of your website. Now move to the page where you want your business address to appear. If your website already has a contact section, open that section. If not, go to the page where you plan to place your address so you can update the correct area. Click on the contact section to open its settings. This is where you can edit the details that visitors will see when they are trying to reach your business. Look for the field labeled Business Address or Address. Once you find it, enter your business street address carefully. Then continue by entering your city, state, or province, postal code, and country in the appropriate fields. Take a moment to review everything you entered. Make sure the spelling, formatting, and location details are correct. This is important because an incorrect address can confuse visitors and may also affect any map display connected to that section. If your GoDaddy site includes a map option, check that the map is showing the correct location for the address you entered. This helps confirm that the full address is recognized properly and that customers will be directed to the right place. When the address looks correct, click Preview. This allows you to see how your business address will appear on the live site before making the update public. Review the page carefully and make sure the address is easy to read and placed where you want it. Once you are satisfied with the result, click Publish. This will make the updated business address live on your website so visitors can see it right away. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.